All right, what's up, guys? It's 48 Sharks, and I'm going to show you what to do if you have a file where you want to use the video but not the audio, or the audio and not the video, vice versa. So, first thing you're going to do, step one, add file. So, like I said in the previous videos, you always want to keep all your stuff in one folder so you don't, lose where it is. This is the file I want to use. And as you're going to be able to hear, there's going to be a lot of background music in there. Car noise. Throughout the whole video. So there's two methods that you can remove the audio. The first one, if you don't care about the audio at all and you're not even going to use it, you could just mute the video just like that. And then you have a quiet video. But for all intents and purposes of this video, what we're going to do is we're going to right click, and then once we see audio, we're just going to detach. Boom. So now we have the separate file of the audio and we have the separate file of the video. So even if I take this out or move it towards the end of the video, it still has it. So you want to mute that regardless. But if you want to keep the audio, that's how you detach. Now, step two. Say that this video, this 2-minute video, I want to make 2 1-minute videos out of this. So what am I going to do? I'm going to go here to about a minute, and then I'm going to split, right? Right here, split. Now, I just want to make a big, bold statement here. Disclaimer, or, don't forget kind of thing. When you do it like that, when you do the mouse, you're only going to split the one thing. Now, if you want to split both things at the same time, wherever your timeline bar is, you're going to place it, and you're just going to hit S, and it's going to split everything all down the middle. So even if we had videos that were like this, on top of the other, right? Say I wanted to just split it right down the middle, all 4 just like that. Boom, push the letter S. Because again, if you just click split, it's just going to split that one in that one part where the timeline arrow is, just like that. So to go back, super simple. We have our 1-minute video, and we want the audio away from it. So what are we going to do? We're going to mute it. Now, if we want to put in some other audio, we're going to detach this. We're going to remove the audio by deleting it. And then we're going to upload the new music that we want to put in into our media pool, which will again load over here. Now notice the file names. We don't want the B-roll of the canal, so we can just delete that. But we do want this copyright-free music that I got from YouTube Studio. They have tons of free copyright-free music. It's crazy. Check it out. Maybe I'll put like a little clip at the end of the video just showing you guys how much they actually have. But, so yeah, now we have this video. Looks nice, right? But we still want it to be just like about a minute. So again, we're going to go halfway to the video because it's 2 minutes. So we want 1 minute and 1 minute. We're just going to split it right down the middle, just like that. Boom. Get rid of the last part. Boom. This is now a 1-minute video. A 1-minute video of calming techniques on how to edit videos. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. And then now just to show you guys how much audio is actually on YouTube, these are only what I have like filtered. That's 1 to 30 out of 170, and that's just filtering ambient calm music. They have all of this 1,681 friggin' results of all music, and all this is free. All this is free. It's in YouTube Studio under Audio Library. You're gonna go there, and then this is gonna pop up.
Subscribe.